Today we create coffee, we eat tangerines, we try apple blackcurrant cake. Let's go with me, come on! I have coffee, I have apple blackcurrant piece, one tangerine. I hope you have the same nice beautiful day. Strong, nice, good coffee. Now we can grind the coffee.
My freedom's down Liberty Avenue.
Coffee is ready, everything is good, everything is correct. Nice, sweet tangerine. Very sweet, very juicy. What we have inside? Ta-da! Last cake, coffee and apple blackcurrant cake. Inside, this cake looks like that. It's really good. And of course I need to tell you why I buy this cake, because it's cheap. Really good. Small cake and coffee. I like balance. Sorry for my mistake, but I still learn. I already done my coffee. Okay, it's time to say goodbye. It's time to go. Thank you for your time. I wish you have a nice week. See you next film. Bye.
Just a little taste of home.